lovely morning. My friends, the beautiful shapes are going out of town today. Here comes the station captain.
Hello there. So where are you off today?
They are all going to the next town to meet their maths teacher.
That's pretty nice. And what are your names?
This is an octagon.
Hello.
This is a hexagon.
Hey.
This is a diamond.
Hello.
This is a cube.
Hi.
And this is a prism.
Interesting. Buggy the train is just about to arrive. Everyone be ready.
Buggy looks very happy today.
Bye bye.
It's time for the shapes to get down now. Come, let's say a bye to them and welcome some new ones. Here are our new friends. This is a cross.
Hello.
This is arrow. This is quadrilateral.
Hello.
This is called a nonagon.
Hi.
This one is called a decagon.
Hello.
The train is ready to depart now. Bye-bye everyone. See you soon.
For more videos, please subscribe